Oh my God, I felt like we did 1,800 takes of me saying, hi, my name is Sarah Meister. Hi, I'm Sarah Meister. I'm a curator of photography here at the Museum of Modern Art.
And I'm Leanne Daphner. I'm the conservator of photography at the Museum of Modern Art.
We have 30,000 photographs or more in the museum collection. How do we take care of them? This raises so many interesting issues, so we thought it would be fun to do a live Q&A where you can send us your questions and we can try to answer them.
One thing that we might touch on is the difference between a physical photograph versus a digital image. How do we examine photographs? What tools do we use?
How do I figure out what it is that I have, how I should display it or take care of it? Are there any photographs that are so sensitive that we can't actually display them? The answer is yes. We'll even get into the nitty-gritty of when we disagree, how do we deal with that? So please send us your questions. You can leave them in the comment section on this video or tune in live next Wednesday and we'll answer them during the live Q&A.
In the meantime, you can check out some videos either on conservation or on photography.
Or you can take our online course, Seeing Through Photographs.
See you on Wednesday.
See you on Wednesday.